Ooh, hard rubbish pile. Hey guys. So, I've got a confession to make. Not that you already didn't know this, but I'm a hoarder. Most of this is mine. And this. And this. And I can't seem to stop. It's kind of worrying. But what is hoarding? The definition of hoarding is holding on to things that you aren't going to use. And I use the things that I find. But I think when you get down to the nitty-gritty, how long do you hold on to something before it's useful? Because for me, it's kind of forever. It's an open-ended question, and I just resolved to the fact that I am actually just a hoarder, and these things aren't worth my space or my creator, and I'm justifying holding on to items for extended periods of time in the hopes that one day they'll be useful. I think it comes down to the stubborn self-belief that I can make something out of anything. But then why do I keep grabbing more things? Surely the stuff that I already have is more than adequate for the task at hand. Because I'm always building one-off items. Whether it's a prop for a film or a play, or whether it's a sculpture, it's all subjective. As I record this, I'm still hard rubbishing. It's a sickness, and I don't know if I want to get better. I do, but free. One thing I really hate is waste. And I think that leads to it, ultimately. I hate waste. I hate food waste. I hate garbage just piling up. I love tips, but only tips that I can pick through. So I've started giving away things I find, things I make, things that I reckon would be useful to other people. Ooh, another hard rubbish pile. I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone here. I'm trying to alleviate my boredom. It's crazy. Just been working so solidly that the one day I have off, I'm like, oh, what do I do? What do I do? Just pick through other people's stuff. But yeah, I've been giving away an assortment of things. Ah, that's what it was. You guys probably saw that before I did. What's this? So here's a prime example of what I find interesting. I just found this entire container with mostly Stormtrooper and Vader heads in it. I think they're little candy lolly deposits, and I'm not going to eat the lollies, obviously, but you know, should I grab it? Should I take this home? Should I make a, I don't know, chess set or something? Could I make several pimp canes with Stormtrooper heads on them? Or do I just not? I left those heads, by the way. Left them on the pile. They're back there. But what's going to happen to them? Are they just going to end up in landfill, or are they going to be loved and used? I don't know. Ultimately, I'm a man of simple needs, really. I do like my comfort foods, but, you know, I don't hoard food, which in this socio-economic climate, I probably should. So what do you reckon I am, guys? A craft pragmatist or a hoarder? Let me know what you guys want me to make in the comments below. Or drop a H for order or a P for pragmatist.